Good morning, my dear students. Every morning is a new blessing, a second chance that life gives you because you are so worthy it. Have a great day. Good morning to all. Welcome back to my dear class students. How do you do? I hope you are all fine. Thoughts of the day. Get ready for the thoughts. Don't be afraid to start over again this time. You are not starting from scratch, you are starting from experience. Don't be afraid to start over again this time. You are not starting from scratch, you are starting from experience. Meaning of these thoughts: failure is common in life and we need to start again. However, we should not fear to start again because this time we have the support of our experience which we don't have the first time. Experience will make it easy for us to start and win again. So, don't be afraid to start over again this time. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. So you have to try every day. Still you get. Okay, students? It is your English class. Today you are going to see grammar tense. Okay. In grammar, tense is a category that expresses time reference. Tenses are usually manifested by the use of specific form of verbs, particularly in their conjugations patterns. The main tenses found in many languages include the past, present, and future. Rules of this grammar: the basic consistency rule regarding verbs is that verbs should remain consistent in tense or form throughout a sentence. Sentences that start in the past should stay in the past, and sentences that start in the present should stay in the present. Shall we move to the class? Verb tenses time has three basic divisions. Okay. Time has three basic divisions. One is past, present, and future. This is the main thing: past, present, and future. Verbs come in the three tenses: past, present, and future. The past is used to describe things that have already happened. For example, earlier in the day, yesterday, last week, 3 years ago. Next, we will see present tense. The present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now or things that are continuous. For example, today. Okay. Next, last one, future. What is future? The future tense describe things that have yet to happen. For example, later, tomorrow, next week, next year, 3 years from now. Okay, do you understand? Again, I am repeating. In tense, time has three basic divisions. Okay, it is divided into three. Time is divided into three. That is one past, second present, and future. Verbs comes in three parts. Okay, three tenses: past, present and future. The past is used to describing things that have already happened. Okay, past is happened. Okay. Present tense is used to describe things that are happening right now. Okay, happening right now, or things that are continuous. Okay, things that are continuous. In future, the tense describes things that have yet to happen. Hereafter only happen. Okay. Verbs come in three tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Let me see in detail. Okay. If you are ready, let's start. Next we will see the form of tenses. Already said present, past and future. It has four kind of categories. It has four kind of categories. First one is simple, second one continuous, third one perfect, fourth one present continuous. Okay, it has four categories. One is simple, second one continuous, third one perfect, fourth one perfect continuous. Okay, do you understand this one? That is very easy one. Here we are going to see 12 kinds of tense. 12 kinds of tense. Already said tense was divided into what? Times was divided into three. One is present, past and future. Okay. Next, already said it categories, four categories. Okay. Let me see the categories, how it is. Okay. First one, simple present tense. Category 1, the first one, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future. Okay, category 1, the first one, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future. Okay. Category 2, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Category 3, perfect. No. Okay, how to say present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Okay, last category, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. So now you count all the one, it comes 12. No. Okay, well, how many tense have means 12 kind of tense have. So that one is simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Okay, in this categories they were divided in tense. Okay, first we will see the simple present tense example. Okay, I play football. I play football. It is a present, it's doing. Okay, simple past. Simple past, for example, I played football. I played football. Simple future, I will play football. I will play football. Hereafter only I will play. Okay. Okay, next, present continuous. For example, for present continuous, I am playing football. In past continuous, I was playing football. I was playing football. Future continuous, I will be playing football. I will be playing football. This is continuous work. It's daily continuing work. Present perfect, I have played football. I have played football. Past perfect, I had played football. I had played football. Future perfect, I would have played football. I would have played football. So perfect means you have to use have, had, has. Okay. Continuous means ing. Okay, continuous comes now what? You have to add verb plus ing. Okay. And perfect, have, had, has. In present in perfect continuous, have been plus verb plus ing. Okay. Present perfect continuous, for example, I have been playing football. I have been playing football. Past perfect continuous, for example, I had been playing football. These only 12 tenses. Already I will explain. It has a 4 categories. Okay. 3 times. Okay. Total we have 12 tenses. Okay. Let me see another example for tenses. Okay. Here see tenses column. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Already said it has a 4 categories in present. Okay, that is 4. Another C, past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect, past perfect continuous. So these also 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 8, total 8 tenses. So next, future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So here also 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, how many? 12 tenses. Are you clear this one? How many tenses have 12 tenses? Okay. Let me see the forms. How you have to write this forms, tenses. Okay. See, subject verb 1 plus object. It is in present simple. Okay. For example, I played basketball every week. Okay. For continuous, you have to use verb plus ing. Already said verb plus ing. Perfect had, has, verb plus 3. Verb plus 3. Perfect continuous, have or has been plus verb plus ing. Okay, this is a form of present perfect continuous. Okay, in simple we have to use verb 1, present continuous, am, is, or verb plus ing. Okay, perfect, present perfect, have or has, verb plus 3. Okay, present perfect continuous, you have to use what? Have or has been, verb plus ing. This is a form for everything. Okay, simple, continuous, perfect continuous, you have to use this form only. It is different from verbs. Let me see the example for all. Okay, present simple, for example, I played basketball every week. Okay, present continuous, I am playing football now. Present perfect, I have just played basketball. Present perfect continuous, I have been playing basketball for 3 hours. Okay, next one, past simple, I played basketball yesterday. Past continuous, I was playing basketball the whole evening. Past perfect, I have played basketball before Mary came. Past perfect continuous, I had been playing basketball when Mary came. Okay, do you understand those 8 tenses? Okay, let me see the remaining 4. Future simple, I will play basketball next week. Future continuous, I will be playing basketball next Sunday. Future perfect, I will have played basketball by tomorrow. Future perfect continuous, we will have been playing basketball. Okay, students, in this video we are going to see only simple only. Okay, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future only. Already said tense, 3 tenses. One is past, present and future. What is present tense? It's tell about what is happening currently. what is happening currently. Past tense, what has already happened. What has already happened. In future, what will happen later in future. What will happen later in future. So that is what a future tense. Okay, again I will repeat. What is present tense means it tells about what is happening currently. Okay, in past tense, what has already happened. What has already happened. In future tense, what will happen later in future. What will happen later in future. This is future tense. I think all the one understood. Okay, now in this video I'm going to teach only three tenses only. You have to clear it. Now we will see the example of present tense. I live in USA. I live in USA. Now he is living in USA. Okay, I am in class 10th. I am in class 10th. Now he is studying 10th standard. Okay, past tense. For example, for past tense. Okay, I lived in USA. I lived in USA. Already he lived there. Okay, I was in class 9th last year. Okay, I was in class 9th last year. Last year he studied 9th class. So that is a finished. Okay, it is happened. Okay, in future example, I will live in USA. I will live in USA. Hereafter only he will plan to go. Okay, second one, I will be in class 11th next year. So next year he only moved to 11th class. So now he is studying 10th. Okay, that is he is studying his 10th. Current is present. Past means yesterday. Future means tomorrow. Okay, this is a very easy one. Present today, past yesterday, in future tomorrow. This one you have to clear, means all the one were very easy. Okay students, simple present is a verb tense with two main uses. We use a simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Okay, depending on the person, a simple present tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or es to the end. Okay, s or es to the end. It is in a present tense only. Okay, it is in a present tense only. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happening or existed before now. Okay, imagine someone who asked what your brother Wolfgang did while he was in town last end weekend. Okay, and future is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that have not happened yet. Okay, do you understand? This one another example for tenses. Okay, it is very easy to understand. Okay, past, present, future tense. Okay, already said four categories: simple, continuous, perfect, continuous. Already I said. Okay. Okay, for example, for present, he drives a car. He drives a car. Already said verb plus s. In present, verb plus s or es you have to add. Okay. In past tense, it is a irregular verb. Okay, he drove a car. He drove a car. In future, he will drive a car. He will drive a car. Do you understand? Okay, in future we have to use will. In past tense, ed. Okay, verb plus ed. Continuous, you have to use ing. Okay, he is driving a car. He is driving a car. This is all the one example. I will teach you in next class. Okay, categories 2, 3 and 4. In this video I will teach only simple, but I will explain all the tense. Okay, with the examples. Okay, in continuous, he is driving a car. In past tense, he was driving a car. In past tense, he was driving a car. In future, he will be driving a car. He will be driving a car. So these are the one where continuous. Verb plus ing. Verb plus ing means it is a continuous tense. Okay, perfect. Already I said perfect means you have to use what? Have, had, has. Okay, have, had and has. Okay. In present we have to use have or has. Okay. He has driven a car. He has driven a car. In past, he had driven a car. He had driven a car. In future, he will have driven a car. He will have driven a car. Okay. Next, last one. Perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. He has been driving a car since morning. Since morning. He has been driving a car since morning. Next one. In past, he had been driving a car since 6 a.m. He had been driving a car since 6 a.m. In future perfect continuous, he will have driving a car at 6 a.m. tomorrow. He will have driving a car at 6 a.m. tomorrow. I think, do you understand this one? Okay, again I'm repeating all the one. Okay, in simple, he drives a car. In past, he drove a car. Future, he will drive a car. He will drive a car. In continuous, he is driving a car. He is driving a car. Past tense, he was driving a car. Past continuous, he was driving a car. Okay. Future continuous, he will be driving a car. He will be driving a car. Present perfect, he has driven a car. He has driven a car. Past perfect, he had driven a car. He had driven a car. Future perfect, he will have driven a car. He will have driven a car. Perfect continuous in present, he has been driving a car since morning. He has been driving a car since morning. In past perfect continuous, he had been driving a car since 6 a.m. Okay. Next one, future perfect continuous. He will have driving a car at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Here I attached worksheet, 2 worksheet. Okay. Circle the action, verb and the past, present or future. You have to circle the verb. This is past or present or future. You have to identify which this one. Okay. First one they wrote it. Okay. Second one, Booby likes movies. Booby likes movie. You have to write this one is past or present or future. You have to identify. Clear? Third one, we will watch a movie. We will watch a movie. Fourth one, you will be late. You will be late. Fifth one, Jean enjoy this book. Jean enjoy this book. Sixth one, Malt walks every day. Malt walks every day. Seventh one, we ate dinner late. We ate dinner late. Eighth one, you visit them often. You visit them often. Ninth one, he will go with you. He will go with you. Last one, Dad read the paper. Dad read the paper. Now I read all the one. You have to identify which one is past, present and future you have to write. Okay, this is a very basic things. You can identify this one. Okay, you have to see the columns. Before I put the 3 columns, you have to see that and write the correct answer. Okay, if you have any doubt, you have to go through this video. The second worksheet also for you. You have to fill in the blanks with simple past tense. You have to write in a simple past tense. Okay, they given a verb only. You have to write it in a past tense. First one, dash an old friend today. Second one, I dash visit him in London several times. Third one, I dash in bracket see her in the school but we did not speak. Fourth one, he dash bracket la throw the ball to me. Fifth one, she dash bracket dry her hair in the balcony. Sixth one, they dash run bracket through the road. Seventh one, he dash walk bracket slowly to the school. Eighth one, the science teacher dash bracket teach about plants today. Ninth one, the teacher dash bracket tap me on my soldier. Last one, I really dash enjoy bracket your party. So you have to write correct past tense. Okay, past verb you have to write. It is very easy. You have to try it. Then only we can make any simple sentence in correct way. Okay students, you have to follow this. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in another interesting topic. See you again.